As cooler temperatures approach Wichita Falls, water resource commissioners are preparing the public for possible drought restrictions. Natalie McCain attended their meeting today. So Natalie, what did commissioners say would trigger a stage 1?
Well, Carney, because lower temperatures limit water treatment and as lake levels start to slowly decline, a 2% drop could be responsible for restrictions. As both Kickapoo and Arrowhead Lakes drop 0.6%, Wichita Falls water resource commissioners keep a close eye on levels as colder seasons approach.
Although we're nearing 65%, which would be our stage 1 trigger, there are a couple of positives.
Now, at a combined level of 67%, just 2% away from water restrictions. But Utilities Operation Manager Mark Southard says it's not all bad.
About 12% ahead of where we were this time last year, and Lake Kemp being near full at 98+%.
Compared to years past, commissioners say the winter lake level predictions could follow a worst-case scenario pattern as they align local water resource predictions with the Climate Prediction Center.
They're saying above average temperatures and below average rainfall. It's possible we could kind of follow along that line. However, currently our trends are showing we're a little above.
So how can you keep those numbers high? Well, thanks to ample practice, Southard says basic tips can do the trick.
We always say that the public here does a great job in conserving water, and that's because of the last several droughts we've had going back into the late 90s. Things they can do, watering schedules, low flow toilet devices at homes, rain catchment systems. All those little tips together can really help conserve water.
As they look to the public ahead of the cold. Now, Southard says conditions are monitored weekly, and once we hit that 65% trigger, which he says could be in October, they'll take it up to City Council for drought restrictions.
Well, we were talking about this earlier. Let's just hope we see a lot of rain between now and then. That would be so nice. We'll talk with Michael about that in just a few minutes. Natalie, thank you very much for that report.